This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Repair, located in Johns Creek, Georgia, Duluth, October 30th, 2015. Typical job again, steps, there's the porch, house, all this is on fill dirt. We have a good sized gap up against the porch. And I want to show a video of how we've pressed pipe down through all the fill dirt on each side. And now we will attempt to try to jack this thing back into place to get it back to where it used to be. Here we go. I'll try to get right here and film it. All right, here we go. Left side first. It's all right. Good right there. A little bit more on this left side. All right, Bobby. Now, this side's good. Now cut that right side on. We're going to bump the right side now. Right there. Exactly right back into place from where it was from day one. Just wanted to show another repair job that we do, jacking steps. Another quality job done by JSA.